Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Rafat. Today we have a sixth lecture on ECAT. The topic is circle. We have to discuss some very important MCQs which are related to the circle. Now come to the first MCQs. If the radius of a circle is 2 centimeter, then its equation will be. These four equations are given to you and they have the center at origin. That means we are talking about the circle having the center at origin and its radius is 2 centimeter. So x square plus y square equals to r square. It is the equation of the circle having the center at origin. So here the radius is 2, so we have to put the value of r, that is equals to 2. So this is x square plus y square equals to 4. That means the D part is correct. X square plus y square equals to 4. This is the correct option of the first MCQs when a radius of a circle is 2 centimeter. Now come to the second MCQs here. In the general equation of the circle with the coordinates of the center are xy minus x minus y minus g minus f minus g f minus g. When we are talking about the general equation of the circle, then we have a center of the general equation of the circle is minus g minus f. So remember that, dear students, we are talking about the general equation of the circle. When we have a general equation of the circle, we have the center is minus g minus f. So the C option is correct of the second MCQs here. Now come to the third MCQs. A line perpendicular to the contact point to a circle is called. So here we have a circle. This is the point of contact. That means a tangential point, a point on which a line touches at one point of the circle, and a line which is perpendicular to the point of contact, this line. So this line is called normal. Always remember that. This line having two very important properties here. Number one, this line passes through the center of the circle and the point of contact. Point of contact, it is also called the tangential point. So that means the normal. B option is correct for the third MCQs. Now come to the fourth MCQs. Two circles are said to be the concentric circles if they have two circles having the same center, So here like this. These are two circles having the same center. They are called concentric circle. That means having the same center. They are called concentric, having the same center. Two circles, one center, same center is called concentric. So center will be the same center. So the B option is correct for the fourth MCQs here. Now come to the fifth MCQs here. Which one is not the equation of the circle? When we are talking about the equation of the circle, the coefficient of x square and y square should be equal to 1, or we have to make it equals to 1. So come to the point here. This is the option A, 35x square plus 30y square. So we can take out 35 common. So this will be x square plus y square. That means it is the equation of the circle here. Now come to the B part here. This is 17x square plus 17y square. That means if we have to take out the 17 common from the whole equation, it becomes x square plus y square. That means B, it is also the equation of the circle. Now here come to the C part here. X square plus y square equals to 49. Equation of circle having the center at origin. We have already discussed in the first part here. This is x square plus 2y square minus 2x plus 17 minus 2 equal to 0. Here we have a different coefficient of x square and y square. That means the D option is correct, which is not the equation of the circle. So the correct option is D of the fifth MCQs here. Now come to the sixth MCQs. Which of the following circles passes through the origin? Whether we are talking about the circle, whether we are talking about the equation of a straight line, if they are passes through the origin, the constant term always equal to 0. So here, which of the following circles passes through the origin? If there is no constant term, that means that line passes through the origin. So if we have to focus the C part here, that is x square plus y square plus 3x plus 2y equal to 0, there is no constant here. That means this circle passes through the origin. If we have to focus the other points A, B and D, here we have a constant 7, 7 and 2. So whenever a circle or any straight line passes through the circle, passes through the origin, there is no constant term there. So the C option is correct for the first MCQs. This circle has the center on x-axis. If we are talking about the center on x-axis here, things like that here. This is x-axis and we have to consider the circle on x-axis. So the x component will be equal to 0 and y component remain same. So there is G and F, H or K. So the H is 0 and the K we have the value of here. Sorry, we have to consider. Now focus again here. The center of the circle is on x-axis. That means on x-axis we have the value, whatever the value is, and the y component will be 0. Y component will be 0 on x-axis. That means this is H, this is K. So when we are talking about the circle here, so that means x square plus y square plus 2x and there is no y here. That means the y, it is the coefficient of y will be equal to 0 because the k component is 0. So that means the A option is correct for the 7th MCQs here. Again, we have to repeat this point here. If we are talking about the circle having the center on x-axis, that means H will be there and the value of K will be equal to 0. K, it is the coefficient of Y and H, it is the coefficient of X. So therefore, X, we have the X here and the Y, the coefficient of Y, that is K, it is equal to 0. That means there is no Y here, linear Y. So the A option is correct for the 7th MCQs here. Now come to the 8th MCQ, the equation of a circle with the center at origin and the radius is 2r. We have already discussed the same point with the different values in the first or the second MCQs in the same lecture here. Yes, x square plus y square equals to r square. This is the equation of a circle having the center at origin. In this situation here, the radius is 2r. That means 2r to the square, that is 4r square. So here 4r square, that means the C option is correct. for the 8th MCQs here. Now come to the 9th MCQs. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 passes through the origin. If this circle passes through the origin, then the value of c should be equal to 0. We have discussed in the same lecture, when a circle or any system of equation there passes through the origin, there is no constant terms here. Whatever the equation is, this equation, the circle we are talking about or the straight line there. So here x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 passes through the origin. That means c should be equal to 0 because there is no constant term here. So the A option is correct for the 9th MCQs. Now come to the 10th MCQs. The center of the circle x square plus y square minus 6ax plus 8y minus 24 equal to 0. So here we have to find out the center of the circle. So when we have to compare this equation with the general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So 2g, the coefficient of x, 2f, the coefficient of y, minus 6 and 8. So here g is minus 3, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, so the value of f is 4. G and f is not the center of the standard equation. Minus g and minus f is the center, so we have to multiply with the minus on the both side. So this will be equals to minus 4 and this is minus 3 and this is plus minus minus plus 3 and this is minus 4. Because minus g and minus f is the center, so we have to multiply with the negative sign on the both sides. So this negative 3 become positive 3 and this positive 4 become minus 4. That means 3 comma minus 4 is the correct option for the 10th MCQs here. Dear students, we have discussed lecture 6 for ECAD. The topic is circle. We have discussed 10 very important MCQs which are related to the circle. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel. Math with Yasir Fahad. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.